Everyone, thanks so much for joining me. Welcome to my channel. If it's your first time here, so glad to have you. And for those who've been with me for the long haul, so glad you're back. Guys, if you haven't already, please subscribe to my channel and thumbs me up on this one. I greatly appreciate it. And I'm looking forward to something really fun today. First, we want to say thank you to Bobbi Boss for supplying today's unit, and it comes from a new series that I am so excited to try. So let's just get to it. This beautiful girl here is from the Blondie series, and her name is Eleodora. I hope I'm pronouncing that correctly. And she comes in the most, well, they sent me the most beautiful silver. Can't wait to show it to you. But isn't she fun? I am loving more Afrocentric styles, and she's going to be so fun to wear. Here's a back view on her. And while we're here, these are the other shades in the Blondie series. So Eleodora is made with a transparent HD lace. This unit has a 5-inch lace part. She's a premium synthetic wig. We have the lightweight cap for ultimate breathability, and I think with all that volume on her, that's very good to know. She has baby hair and she has heat-safe styling. So they sent her to me in Silver B. Isn't that fun? And you can see the baby hairs. So pretty. Look how transparent that lace is, guys. And here's our deep part. This mesh is so airy. I love a unit that's going to give me an easy install, and that's what I expect here. So let me prep her. I'm going to be using some lace tint on here and maybe into the part as well. Cut this lace and then we'll get her on. Market, post office, yes, because the world needs to see this. It is just beautiful, and you get a nice breeze just to have this blowing and move. You're going to get some movement with this. I just adore it. Now, the baby hairs, I didn't really use those, but I think the next time I do them, it would be nice to just have those precious baby hairs right along the side. This is a unit that, even if you don't really care for baby hairs, like I'm not always crazy about them, these baby hairs on this unit are so adorable. It's very tempting. And I think the next time I most definitely will. And she passes my test for behind the ear. You could definitely do ear tabs with this. But she looks great like that. And the side part was the best thing, I think, for me. I love her in a side part. I like the asymmetry in this. The beautiful thing about a unit like this, when you have the really tight curls, it'll just loosen up and just fill out a bit more and look even better. So guys, yes, you're feeling Miss Eleodora. She is beautiful. I'm just obsessed. As always, love to hear what you think. Drop me a little message, let me know. And especially if you have her, boy, she looks like she's part of a new series though, and I greatly encourage you to check out some of the other wigs in the Blondie series. Let me show you real quick some of the other styles, and please forgive me for not doing that earlier. I'm sure you can find something in there that would suit you, and I love how there are a variety of lengths and textures. Gorgeous. I want to say thank you again to Bobbi Boss. Winner, winner, chicken dinner here. I am absolutely adoring her. Guys, as always, thanks so much for joining me. Really appreciate you. And while I have you here, if I can for just a moment, I'm looking to expand out to more than just wigs. I'd like to start looking into more protective styles also. So look forward to some crocheted hairstyles coming and things along that genre. Also want to share some really nice products that have been kind of a staple for me. I'm excited about these products and I'd love to share them with you. So guys, once again, thank you so much for joining me. Subscribe if you haven't. Thumbs me up. And can't wait to see you next time. Stay blessed.